We have a saying at GPRS that we hire character and we teach skill. And we've seen people come from all different types of backgrounds and levels of education, and we've seen a lot of different people be successful. Our interview process is pretty rigorous, and so really the thing that sets us apart is just hiring quality people that we teach the skills here and in our training facility to be successful at this job.
This felt more like a profession than retail felt kind of more like a job at a certain point. I was actually referred to this job by a friend. His name is Gaston Schoonover. He's worked here for at least 7 or 8 years. He told me about this job kind of when I was gone from Best Buy, but he did warn me that y'all kind of like to hire from within when you can, and there was somebody potentially moving into that spot. So I just kind of kept an eye out after that. When another one popped up, I reapplied for it, and here I am. I mean, as far as the training goes, because I came from retail and had no construction whatsoever, I was a little kind of hesitant on how quickly I'd be able to pick stuff up, but yeah, hands-on is definitely much better. Yeah. 4 steps in, I don't remember what the first step was, versus hands-on, you did it, so next time you have that kind of muscle memory built up to start to get the process down faster. It's the training here, there's a lot of information, but it doesn't feel like I'm bogged down. It kind of makes sense for what they're talking about, plus what I've already done in the field, plus the hands-on stuff that we've been doing. No, I mean, everybody's done a really good job, is super helpful anytime I have a question. They're willing to help, or if, hey, I finished with this job early, I don't want to just be done for the day, can I come to one of your jobs with the guys in my area? They're like, absolutely, come over, I'm here. As long as there's no special requirements, everybody's willing to have me and let me ask questions, let me try, all that kind of stuff.
Hiring great people and being able to teach them the skills, they can take this where they want to take it, and we have a lot of great people in the company that didn't come from any sort of construction background, and it shows the successes they've had, and just putting in the efforts and having great character really took them a long way.